For me, I'm really happy of what me and Haya have because we've been closer for the past few months because we've been doing workshops, relationship works, and especially the music video. And I'm just happy to be there with her, like seeing her grow as an actress. And I think, syempre Marvin na yan, hindi namin, ayaw po namin mag-compare and we just want to grow as a love team na may each identity.
Yes, I see.
The same thing. I don't really want to think about that. I don't right now. I mean, so far we're just really focusing sa project natin, and of course our relationship and the foundation of our relationship din. Pero so far, you know, I feel very,
Parang kilig na kilig ka, ayos ka.
All I can say is I'm very grateful that Gab is and we're a team together, and I feel very safe with him. I'm very grateful for that.
Thank you. Krisha, kayo, kumusta na ni Jero?
Hi po. Hi. Okay lang po. Payapa ang aming mga puso. Ay, payapa. Kalma lang naman kami. Siyempre, yun ang masasabi ko po. Asan po yung kausap ko?
Ito ay.
Ay,
Nasaan siya ngayon?
kasi kailangan po niya mag-swimming papunta dito. So, sila lang yung nasa ako.
Hindi mo ba siya dadamayan? Tutulungan sa bahay?
Nag-message naman po ako na sana everyone safe, sana maging safe sa lahat mga safe naman. Mukha naman.
Ayun, thank you sa mga couples and congratulations.
Okay, thank you very, very much. Now, let's open the floor to...
Meron pa ba ng love team?
Ay, sorry.
Sorry, pakisagot din.
Si Shakira pala.
Oo, tsaka si Jairus. Or baka kayo na.
Kami din matagal, kami pinakamatagal. Sa dulo pa po kasi istorya namin ni Jairus. And for now, we've been really enjoying being with the whole Univergada. And ewan ko, saya naman katrabaho. And let's go!
And then, syempre, like what Nicole said, marami pa talaga yung book namin. So as of the moment, we enjoy each other's company talaga bilang co-workers kasi actually, the next book, mas nag-upgrade din yung connection namin in terms of working with each other. Mas naiintindihan namin sa isa kung ano dapat gawin sa promos and sa show itself. So, yeah, getting better every year, so we just enjoy each other's company, di ba? So, yep.
So, pasasagutin ko pa si Wilbert at si Bea kung kumusta na ang relasyon nyo.
Kumusta bang relasyon namin?
Wala naman po. Ngayon nga lang kami magkakatrabaho nito. Ay, well, sa Nocturno. But, ako po para sa akin, sa isang love team naman, hindi naman necessary na kailangan maging kayo talaga in real life. What's important is maayos kayong nagtatrabaho, maayos yung working relationship din ninyo because after all, we all have lives outside our work. And I'm really grateful because Wilbert is, I feel like Wilbert is such a very reliable love team naman katrabaho.
Thank you for your wonderful words. Kaya matagal po kasi yung book namin, so friends naman kami.
Wilbert, ba't parang kinikilig ka habang nagsasalita si Bea?
Sabi niya responsible daw ako eh. Reliable pala. Nakatrabaho na po kasi kami sa Nocturno, so alam na po namin yung working relationship namin, paano kami, nagka-excite na kami sa... Ba't ka mo nang-aasal? Nagkaka-excite na po kami sa mismo, so... Ayun po. Yun lang.
Ayun, thank you guys. O Phoebe, one question lang yun.
Oo nga, thank you po. Okay, maraming salamat po. Next naman, from Rider PH, we have Jojo Panaligan. Dito po.
Yeah, thank you. Kay Direct na-required
Sa
harapan po.
Yan. Na-require nyo ba silang lahat na basahin yung libro at in-instruct ko ba sila to be 100% true to the characters? At meron din ba kayong deviation from the story or characterization para mas maging cinematic? Sorry, related kasi.
I think nabasa naman na nila even before pa kasi third book na to. So, ayun. And ano kasi siya, di ba? Interconnected lahat ng mundo. So, alam ko nabasa na nila lahat.
Instruction, na maging 100%.
I think, in terms of character, we wanna be as loyal as possible dun sa sinulat ni Guay. Kasi tested na yung book ni Guay eh. Kumaga, tsaka, as I've said, kami mismo, we fell in love with the characters nung sinulat siya. So, it's more of, I think, owning the character in a different way. Parang pag enact nila, may mga small touches of their personality. Pero, we try to be as loyal as possible.
Kung ano mababasa mo, yun na makikita mo.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Kasi parang na-pressure ako dun sa...
Alright, maraming salamat po. Moving on to Random Republica, we have Kate Adahar.
Hi, good afternoon. My question is for Guay. Guy, congratulations. I know na pati ikaw mismo as a writer, you gained a fan base. So ngayon, I think are you still in law school and how do you balance everything and ano yung aabangan? May law school love story na.
Yes, I'm still in law school po. How do I balance? Actually, sobrang hirap na po right now. Kaya, dami ko mga script na babasahin as of the moment. But I always find time. I just know my priorities. For me, school is at the top talaga. And then, of course, I still try to reach yung deadlines for the scripts kasi lahat yun kailangan review. And it's hard kasi I have to be on guard. Kailangan word by word I have to read them. Hindi ko pwedeng skim because, we all try to protect the essence of the story. So, kailangan yung mga information sakto since they're all interconnected with each other. Kailangan yung timelines, they're all sakto sa book. Kasi if not, magkakagulo talaga lahat. So, it's really hard right now. Pero, I still try to balance everything out. For the law school love story, since tapos na po kasi until book 6, I don't think there's a law school love story there. But I'm keeping that in mind if ever I write more in the future. Thank you po.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman from Manila Bulletin, pakinggan natin si Bobby Requintina.
Magandang hapon. Direk, how would you describe yung chemistry ni Gavin Haya and kinilig din ba kayo habang kinukunan ng mga eksena nila?
Actually, pa lang po, look test pa lang. Feeling, parang matagal na nila magkakilala. Yung sinasabi nilang months pa lang. Pero nung first time ko sila ma-meet, parang ang tagal na nila magkakilala. So, ayun, tinan nyo sila. Kaya kung nga hindi nila tayo naririnig. Ayun, meron na agad. Nung hindi pa nga kami nagbabasa po ng script, look test pa lang, photoshoot, meron na agad eh. I think yun yung natural, yun yung mahirap hanapin sa isang love team. And I think meron sila na ako.
Okay, maraming salamat.
Okay, thank you so much. And our final batch for today includes Marie Cris Nicasio, Naz Tabares, Vix Almacen, and our content creators, Darrell Palesi and Ana Rina TV. Okay, so you may direct your questions to all of our cast. Okay po. Ngayon, from Hataw, pakinggan natin si Marie Cris Nicasio. Na birthday daw niya! Let's all sing her a happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Kaya pala may pansit. Rapahan natin this birthday!
Habang naglalagay ako ng pansit.
Okay, so may pansit station po tayo dito. Kung gusto po ninyo, lapit lang po. Thank you.
ko tuloy alam, magtatanong pala ako, nakakabigla. Anyway, hindi, tanong ko lang kung ilan libro kay Guay. Kasi di ba before na tanong ay nasabi mo na lahat ng love team magkakaroon ng moment nila para. So itatanong ko kung ilang books pa ang aabutan.
6 books po siya in total. So nasa book 3 na po tayo right now.
Okay, thank you. Tapos isang bonus lang, kapag nagkakaroon ba ng mga tampuhan, yung mga isa lang birthday mo daw. Kapag kasi eto po din lang, kung nagkakaroon daw ng tampuhan yung mga love team, sino yung nauunang manuyo o mag-sorry? Sa mga love team.
Ay, di ba po kami nagkaroon ng tampuhan ni Haya? Pero of course, yung lalaki po syempre kailangan unang manuyo para sa akin.
So I guess Manuyo is saying sorry. Yeah. I agree with that.
So may mga misunderstanding na daw kayo.
Yes. Si Krisha and Jerome, meron na ba? Wala pa?
Jerome? Sa amin, dalawa naman po kasi, since ako, halimbawa, automatic naman sa akin, pag na-feel ko na ako yung unang nagkamali, I will say sorry. Kapag siya nagkamali, you will say sorry. So, balikan lang kami.
Thank you. Meron pa?
Okay. Sino pa? May tampuhan?
Jairus.
Wala. Kasi syempre, professional naman kami lahat magtrabaho dito. So, as much as possible, we set emotions aside. And I don't think things get too personal kasi we're working naman talaga as per our characters. So, walang tampuhan. And if ever man, worst comes to worst scenario, mangyari man yun, syempre, the guy will always be the first one para humingi ng sorry if ever naman yung tampuhan, di ba? But at the end of the day, we're professionals, we're just working, and yeah, we have good connections naman per love team side. So, ikaw, Wilbert.
Hindi pa po kami umaabot doon. Wala pa naman pong tampuhan sa amin. Pero if ever meron, syempre ako yung magsasorry. Kahit mali ko. Talaga naman paglalaki.
Totoo yan tatanungin namin kayo ulit sa next MediaCon, di ba? Dapat. Okay, next! From Pelikula Mania, pakinggan natin si Naz Tabares.
Hello, kay Haya.
Here in front?
Yung poster reveal pa lang kasi parang medyo emotional. Tiriyain ka namin. So, gaano ka-importante sa iyo yung project na to? And bakit medyo emotional ka?
Well, actually, to be honest, medyo I have sipon. I think from the weather. But also, now that you bring it up, it has been overwhelmingly surreal to see everything. I feel, seeing that made me feel very proud of myself. And of course, with Gab and everyone, because we worked so hard for this. And just to see everything come together, even just little things like this, like the poster, it really warms my heart. Like it means a lot.
Okay, thank you so much. And next up from Bix Buzz at Abante, we have Bix Almacen.
Hi, good afternoon. Here, para sa cast, hindi ba kayo nahirapan kasi pabago-bago yung director ninyo? And how was working with Directo?
Okay, so to all the cast po, tama? Okay, so start tayo from this end all the way to this end. Aubrey?
Hello po. Ako naman po, every time na may bagong director ko na-cover, syempre I'm nervous. Pero really excited naman po kasi panibagong challenge na naman po sa akin. Kasi gusto ko rin po na kahit dito sa industry na makapag-trabaho po ako with other directors. Pero kay Direct Talk, hindi pa po ako nakapag-shooting So, ina-ask ko pa lang po si Nahaya, how was it working with Derek? And yun nga, si Derek daw po, he's very kind and very chill. So, looking forward to work with Derek. Sa akin naman po, hindi naman po mahirap makipag-work sa iba't ibang directors. Actually, parang, ano rin siya, parang marami akong natutunan since they have different flavors sa directing. And since bagong actress din po ako, is what I'm looking for. I'm really eager to learn from different directors. And I'm really excited to work with Direct Talk kasi for sure another flavor na naman to. And we'll see what I have to learn more from Direct Talk.
The cast and I, we were like talking about it, and no. And it was funny because we were like saying how it feels this like a class, like a batch, right? And every time parang may ibang professor in a way. And there's like, the professor is the director. You get it? Yeah, okay. And, yeah. You know, June? Yeah. So anyways, it's funny because, I don't know, me, I like to find where the breaking point of the director is. You know, I'm always like waiting where they're gonna break down. Everyone says they're chill until there's gonna be like a stressful time. Not because I'm the fault, I just wanna like see it. You know, I just wanna like be there to see it. I don't know, I'm just, I don't know, interested.
Yeah, sasabihin ko dapat yung sinabi ni Marco. Hindi pa kami nakakapag-shoot kay Direk, pero excited na rin ako, of course, kasi syempre iba-iba din naman talaga yung teaching techniques nila. Pero ang pinakamaganda doon is natututunan namin paano mag-adapt to different directors. Paano yung atake. Syempre iba din yung, what do you call this? Yung tingin ng director per character. And so, yeah, I'm just so excited to work with Direk and to bond with Direk. And so, yeah.
Yeah, for me, hindi naman po kami nahihirapan. Actually, for me, I feel like I'm grateful na iba't iba yung director kasi they all work in Cinemalaya and they're all award-winning. So, for me as an actor, I'm a sponge. I like learning a lot from directors, especially with Direct Talk. He's so chill and he knows what he wants. So, sa set, parang super light, masaya, and I'm just grateful to work with him.
But then, same answer, similar to Gab and kay Grisha. As a new actress, for me it's been exciting because I've been able to learn more with every director that I happen to work with. And I think it's also good and exciting because with every project sa university, every show, every book sa university series, each director brings something new, brings something different. So it's really something to look forward to. And also, like, I'm really grateful kay Derek kasi he's been so supportive with me, and same with Gab, he really knows what he wants. So like, I trust him, and I'm very thankful that we've established a safe space within us then, no matter what happens, going on set, doing anything. So I appreciate you, Direk. Yeah.
Para sa akin po, it's always refreshing to work with other people outside of your comfort zone. And bukod sa it's refreshing, it's nice to explore, but also it's such an honor to work with these directors na talagang kilala at napakahuhusay. At lahat naman, kada director na makatrabaho ko namin, may mga natututunan kami. And I think it's also nice for the viewers because they also see different flavors, different atake kada libro, kada season, kada title. So I think it's also nice, hindi lang para sa amin, but for everyone also.
Kakapasok ko pa lang po sa series. Pero excited po ako. Kasi nakatrabaho ko na po si Direk sa first day and mabilis naman po and maganda. Then feel ko mas okay yung parang, mas para sa akin na iba-iba yung director para hindi ko parang makukumpara mo yung work mo before sa next mong work. Parang kasi iba-iba yung book, di ba? At iba-iba yung flavor nga na nadadala. Yun lang.
Ang bait. For me, kasi I guess, we're on our third book and it's working with the first two directors was great. And I actually haven't met Direk Top. Hello po. Kasi wala ako nung nakita. Hi, I'm Nicole. Ngayon lang kami nag-meet. But I've heard amazing things from Gab and Haya and I'm very, very excited to work. And yun nga po, as everybody said then, marami kaming natututunan and that's something we're all excited about. And ayun, eventually nagiging close din naman. Sana maging close din namin si Direk Top and maging tropa kaming lahat. Wow, ayun, yun lang naman po.
Actually, tama naman lahat ng sinabi nila. Ako personally, yun yung like ko nila look forward is yung bagong director na makakatrabaho. Sa dami ng mga director na katrabaho, sobrang dami ko rin natutunan. So, working with new directors pa rin is sobrang parang privilege sa amin para mas matuto bilang artista. And si Direk Top, nakatrabaho ko na siya 2 years ago. And maganda naman naging bonding namin and maganda rin naman yung naging outcome ng work namin. So yeah, it's always a good thing na makatrabaho ka kasi sabi nga nila, bagong flavor na, di ba? Ano nga flavor? Tinatanong ko sila kanila, pero bagong flavor, bagong experience, bagong learning para sa bawat isa. No, it's a collaboration project, collaboration thing, na director, matutunan ka sa director, yung director may matutunan din sa'yo in return. So, it's a good thing, di ba? Na parehas kayo may natutunan. So, yeah.
For me po, nung first taping ko po with, first work ko po with Direk Top, medyo na-feel ko po na chill lang po siya. And ayun, sana po direct magkaroon pa po tayo ng maraming interaction. Kasi nung first day parang medyo busy. So yeah, nasabi naman din na po nila lahat about sa pag-work with other directors. So ganun din po yung akin. Thank you po.
Hi Direk. It's been only 2 days. Thank you for being approachable. Thank you for being nice. But I guess above all, thank you for respecting the Eddie Garcia law.